Understanding swing the axe in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into the meaning and usage of the phrase, swing the axe in English. This expression, often heard in various contexts, can be quite intriguing for English learners. So, let's break it down together and understand what it really means. First, let's look at the literal meaning. The verb, swing, means to move back and forth or side to side, especially with a regular rhythm. An axe is a tool used for chopping wood, typically consisting of a heavy blade attached to a long handle. So, literally, to swing the axe means to physically move an axe in a chopping motion. This is commonly seen in woodcutting or similar activities. More interestingly, let's explore the figurative use of this phrase. In a non-literal sense, swing the axe can imply making a big or decisive decision, often one that leads to the removal of something or someone. For example, in a corporate setting, it might refer to laying off employees or cutting down on resources. This usage is metaphorical, likening the act of cutting something with an axe to making a significant, sometimes harsh, decision. To better understand, let's see some examples. The new CEO had to swing the axe on several old projects to streamline the company's focus. After months of deliberation, the council swung the axe on the outdated policy. These examples show how the phrase is used in everyday language to describe actions that have major effects or bring about the end of something. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of swing the axe. It's a phrase that packs a punch, whether used literally or figuratively. Remember, idiomatic expressions like these add color and depth to your language skills. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.